Okay, I'm recording.
Alright.
Dude! Why?
Exactly.
This bitch better give me Julie. Yes!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah, baby!
For real.
That's what I've been waiting for. Oh, family house.
I don't like that. Where's the other exit? I only know one of them.
Which one do you
I
know?
would.
Huh? What?
Huh? Huh?
Which exit do you know?
I don't know how to explain.
Never mind, never mind. I'll help you guys out.
Yeah.
Okay. Just follow Julie.
Beanie. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Bows in the lair, bows in the lair.
I'm in basement storage.
Ah! Bitch, bitch, bitch! Oh, fuck! Ah! I'm gonna fucking
Is he
die.
attacking you?
Yeah!
Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Ah! I'm dead.
Thanks for distracting them.
I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. I'm dead.
I came into the lair. Oh, and then Leland started screaming, Jules.
Reptini.
No!
Fucking hell.
Oops.
I saw that. God damn.
Oh, look, I'm sorry.
What the fuck?
What is that? Oh! I thought Sunny was a bird.
Oh shit! Oh shit.
Aw.
Oh my god!
Wow.
What a good
That's a
round.
pretty scary, though.
Well, that's practice round.
Yeah.
That's just a warm up.
Oh my! Got a view.
Look! I just see so many times. Look at the Bubba's username.
A dead sleep.
Night Flyer. Fuck yeah, dude.
It sounds like a. Oh my.
Oh!
We gotta leave. We better leave.
Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
Yeah, we better get
No,
the fuck
don't
out.
worry, don't worry, don't worry. No. Oh, nah, he getting stabbed. I'm gonna stab him.
Fuck.
Not Paul.
Peepaw.
Is that Julie?
Yeah.
I can't spell.
Go! Ah!
Can open that?
Ah! Motherfucker! Help me! Go! Oh, Johnny! Motherfucker! Ah! Somebody help! Is somebody upstairs?
Where? Yeah, I am.
Help! Ah! No!
Hey, Johnny and Bubba.
You know what?
sticking
I'm
with you.
jumping back down. Fuck this shit.
It's open. It's open. I got it.
Where is it?
It's highlighted.
I completely lost him.
I guess he's exit. No, it's a door locked. No, I can't get to it.
Ah! Motherfucking. No, I'm gonna die.
The cook's trying to close it.
No, I was right there, and no. Fuck.
What's that?
A ladder.
Oh, where did Connie go?
No, you're gonna break it.
Run.
Oh shit!
Like, where'd he go?
Oh,
What?
I lost,
lost
you.
He got tired.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. He knows.
Fuck.
Whoa! Oh my god!
Not the worst character in the entire game. Shit.
Hey! There's a wall.
Damn it!
Ooh.
Damn it. The only character worse than Leland.
Hey! Why you dissing my voice?
I already
Well, I
clicked
was
there, so-
killed by a dad sneeze.
You're fine. I'll let you know.
Oh, that's good. What are you? Excuse me, sir.
Oh, sorry, dinner first? Okay.
Excuse me.
Hey,
Excuse.
let me get the bag.
Yeah, got it. Let's go.
Yeah. Ladies first.
Okay.
Or they down.
They them first.
Yeah, hide here just in case they're behind me. Us. And I was right.
Get your ass over here. Get your ass over here. Go, go, go.
Go, 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 go. Nope, nope, nope.
Julie,
nope,
where are
nope,
you?
nope, nope. Outside.
No,
Come here. Fight me.
Ah! Help!
Talking to you.
Fuck! Fuck!
Alright.
Help!
I'm done.
Mommy, help! Oh my god! I'm gonna die.
No, no,
Yeah, I'm dead.
no.
And by the worst character, too.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm holding my boob. Oh, go, go, go.
Bro, just go.
Yes. Nice.
The final girl.
Nah, Cook. I'm gonna bully Cook.
Okay. Notice me. Notice
Yeah,
me.
that's why.
Rip Sunny.
Yep.
Department says Maria Flores,
He got a dumpy.
Valdi, was last seen near the town.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey.
hey!
I'm with Connie.
And teams are together.
Wait for me.
You're faster than me.
Oh shit.
Hey, give me a Spider-Man kiss.
Mwah.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Been waiting for. Ooh, I can die happy.
Okay. Don't die though.
I'll try not to. Oh, back it. Oh no.
Yep.
I saw-
You fucking escaped?
We're getting close to it, yeah.
I'm dead.
No.
Stabbing my boobs.
I mean, I said I'll die happy. And I died with you, so that's even better.
And you got your Spider-Man kiss.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, we kissed.
Yeah.
Gay rights.
Get right. Is right there. Oh, Sissy's after you.
Yep, I know.
Oh.
Put on the wall. She's gonna make you drunk.
Go down the well.
No.
Yes.
No.
Dude, you're gonna die.
Uh,
If you went down, you wouldn't have. Bye, boobs.
ooh.
Bye, pussy. Damn.
Yeah, ouch.
Why is the cook's name Notice Me Senpai?
We've been over this, Beanie.
Oh, okay. It's funny.
No, 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 no. Help, 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 help.
I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm
Get him.
going on the wall.
Hey, hey.
Hey!
Oh, I'm gonna pass.
Hey. What's up? How
You got health for sure?
No.
Don't move.
Well, that's not good.
Nope.
Does he see us?
I don't think so.
Yep.
Oh, Cook is after me. No, 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 no.
I'm dead.
Connie died. I might die too.
I went down the well.
Damn.
I'm gonna be joining you.
It's okay.
Excuse me? Please, please, please. I'm gonna bleed out. I'm gonna bleed out.
Hello. No.
What the fuck?
No. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
I mean, you're good. Grandpa's level 0. Never mind.
La 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 la. La la la.
This is non-existent for me.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La.
Hey, Coke, what you cooking?
Fuck. Twerk.
Meatballs.
Really,
Twerk, twerk,
really,
twerk.
teeny, really, teeny,
Yeah.
really, you're about to die.
I know. I don't have a choice, dude. I'm not escaping this. He's twerking on me. Damn.
Shit.
This hitchhiker sucks.
This hitchhiker sucks.
GG, Leatherface.
Thanks
Okay.
for watching. Bye, YouTube.